KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my grilled balsamic chicken. That's what I call it, and it's a recipe that I've come up with over the years. Nice and easy to do. Alright, first thing we need to do is get some chicken thighs. I've got around about half a kilo's worth there, maybe 700 grams, and I'm going to make up a really quick marinade. Here I'm adding in some freshly ground black pepper and some salt, around about a teaspoon's worth of each, and here I've got my next ingredient, which is around about a teaspoon's worth of garlic powder and a teaspoon's worth of onion powder. That can go straight in. Now, here I've got around about 2.5 tablespoons worth of balsamic vinegar. That's just going in. And this is an episode of Cooking with MS. That balsamic vinegar has been spilt once before. As you can see, there's a little witness mark there on the right hand side where it's got a little bit of a mark, and I've just spilt it again. So we want around about 3 tablespoons worth of that. Now I've added in around about 3 to 4 tablespoons worth of mixed Italian herbs, just the ones you buy from your supermarket, right? If you've got a particular brand you like, use that. I just use this one because it's got a little bit of chili and a little bit of tomato flake in it. Now, the rind of 1 lemon, that goes straight in as well. That's going to give us a nice little zesty flavour to this dish. Around about, let's say, getting close to half a cup's worth of olive oil. I'm putting that straight in, and a little bit more balsamic vinegar to make up for what I spilt. Now, if you're a new viewer to my channel, yes, I do have multiple sclerosis, and my hands do what they want to do. I tell them to do something and they don't listen to me all the time. So we're going to mix this chicken through that marinade, just like I'm doing right there. And I want to put this back in the refrigerator and let it sit for around about an hour. That's what I like to do. You can leave it for half an hour. Now you can get your barbecue ready, or a grill like I've got here, indoor grill. The weather has not been really conducive to grilling outside at the moment. It's a really crappy summer starter. Alright, so we're going to get that nice and hot, just like we would do with our barbecue, and all we have to do now is simply put our chicken thighs down, just like I'm doing right there. Now, I'm cooking these on a sort of medium type heat. I prefer to do that. We are going to end up with a little bit of charring because of the marinade, but we also want that heat to penetrate through the meat all the way through. So I'm going to cook these for around about 8 to 9 minutes per side. Alright, so as you can see, we've got a little bit of a cozy situation happening here on my grill. Alright, and yes, it is a teppanyaki grill. So we're just going to put these down and let them cook away like that. Very, very nice and simple. Now, if you haven't tried making a marinated chicken, something like this, well, you don't know what you're missing. The flavors are absolutely beautiful. Okay, we've got such a mixture of different flavors going on inside your mouth when you eat this. It is fantastic. So I'm going to speed this up for you to stop boring you. So we're going to cook these, as I said, around about 8 minutes per side. We're going to give those a little bit of a flip. And as you can see, we're starting to get a real nice bit of colour on that chicken. Alright, so we can just keep moving those around, make sure everyone is nice and happy on that grill. And look at that beautiful colour, caramelisation that comes out of that balsamic vinegar is amazing. It really is. Alright, so we're going to keep cooking those off until they're done, and I'm going to wait until I get an internal temperature of 74 degrees Celsius. Alright, that's an internal temperature. If you don't have a thermometer to double check that, you could put a little cut in that and make sure there is no pink left. I'm just going to quickly serve this up nice and simply on a plate, just like Mrs. KP is doing right there. You can serve this up with whatever sides you like. It works with rice, it works with mashed potato, it works with anything. Now, to finish this off, here I've got a little bit of pomegranate molasses. I'm just going to pour that straight over the top, just like that, and it's going to give us a nice little sweet and sour type flavour to this dish. I'm just going to serve that up just with some little bits of jacket potatoes that have been sliced up nicely. How easy was that to do? Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Even if you don't like this video, hit that like button. It helps the algorithm. Hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to grow this channel. Leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them. And leave a suggestion for a recipe or an idea, and I'll run with it. I do fulfill requests made by my subscribers. But if you want to learn how to make something like this, which is perfect for the barbecue, or you can even do it inside like I have, we need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my grilled balsamic chicken, and I will catch you next time. Bye.